2008 BMW 535 Xi luxury sedan. In that black paint, aluminum alloy wheels, good tires, tinted windows, dual chrome tip exhaust. Black leather interior, rear climate controls, wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver seat adjustments, memory seat. Heated front seats. Premium audio system with DVD, CD player. Steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth. Just over 182,000 miles. And see if we got a sunroof. Come on and see us. Cars.